If you are unable to access your Coinbase account due to missing verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Coinbase login page. Go to the official Coinbase website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and password to start the login process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, locate and click the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the password recovery process, allowing you to reset your password if needed. Step 3. Check your email. After clicking the link, check your email for a password reset email from Coinbase. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. If you do not receive the email, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Use account recovery options. If you cannot access your email or do not receive the reset link, go back to the login page and click on Need More Help. This will guide you to Coinbase's support options, where you can submit a request for account recovery. Step 5. Provide necessary information. When submitting your recovery requests, provide as much information as possible to verify your identity. This may include your account details, transaction history, and any other relevant information that can help Coinbase verify your ownership of the account. By following these steps, you should be able to recover access to your Coinbase account. If you encounter any difficulties, consider reaching out to Coinbase support for further assistance.